Massive greetings in the name of the Most High. This is Daddy Reds for Daddy Reds Promotions, and this is Talking News. In this episode, Spice and Pamputte on the live Talk Lady Saw. You know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Show that you care. Talking News is here. That's right. In this episode, they went right into it. Spice and Pamputte, talked a little about the history between Lady Saw and Spice. Yo, shit don't sound good. That's all I gotta say. All right, ladies, take it away. Bless.
After we go best the best are this start the argument. Me no know when. But me see the woman a move off key. Remember say 10 years of friendship. Me see the woman a move off key. Me see the woman a move away. And she do the ER interview. And me I remember now say me call her. Me take up my phone and never me fi forget this. Me take up my phone and me call Lady Saw. And me say, Marianne, me notice say something not right. So what really are the problem? You see when me go say what really are the problem? The woman say, Gracie, me hate you. Me hate you long time. Me not like you because you go and miss the party and so she end up and tell me the things them now. You go and miss the party, go talk about how you're the baddest one from out of Jamaica. And then she go down in it. And the woman say, you take off your shoes when you perform. And me first used to take off my shoes. And the woman go down in it and say, when you cock up your foot on the box and a DJ, you take off your foot. And my style that. A long time me I watch you, Me and this woman had 10 years of friendship. She can't come say me a sad make me sleep on bed with her and never tell her say she look good or she sexy. She cook food, give me and me near me and the girl could have poison me. And when ladies are go down in it and start tell me say, you think I know me I watch you? Me I watch a long time. And she go down in 3 years ago when you go a sting. You wear ball head or you take off your wig and me first. And me first used to take wear back the woman talk some things that them something and make me hate her around. Oh, me never forget this. And this make me just chat back to her. She cuss and she talk about how me pity them ugly. Oh Jesus. Because a woman when me love and look up to. Oh, she do me up. Pamputte, be very sorry. I didn't have to ask you for the live, yeah. Me see the comment a while ago. I said, why the people them are ask you? Me apologize to you in advance. Me know you tell you in a mix-up. But me have to ask you. So me want to apologize to try you in this. Because me know say you're not in the bagger. Me never you know me not do that. You know me real. You know me do the foolishness. Me just the other thing me want because me come back from life because about 2 me are going on. And me start remember something. I said, no, me not remember to clear this out of me. Me want to clear it out of me when you want to get rid of something. You want to get rid of it. So when me go down and me say, God, me speak me truth and me done. Me want to mean it. Me remember say, and me and you there at the airport, me remember say enough of the argument them you know of it, So me no want talk, me want stop talk. Me want stop talk, and me there at the airport and ladies are walk back and me talk to me. And you don't know, me not tell you nothing, Me have it in a ball and in a
me don't wonder still, me don't wonder say, why, big lady saw, big mama saw walk there in a Spice. I said, Gracie, and what I say, so can't you know no good? I want to say, you not talk to the woman and so. I say, Pamputte, come get your food, because remember you have sugar, come eat, come get your thing them in your bag. You have to travel with your snacks, them and trouble me. But you never really want, tell me. But then you say, I tell you don't know that woman, they are wicked. I told me not tell you. But it kind of puzzles me still. And then now I get to realize, say, you're not really not being a friend, because remember one day you called me about you.
And them ugly.
You called me and say, you're not at it, and the family man, all of them are cussing and whatever, and I said they pity them ugly, and I like me feel a way, because at the end of the day, I said, but one of your pity them supposed to be God pitney, so all this. Yeah, me never sure. Me never sure. I'm sure again.
Nicholas, she is Nicholas' godmother. And she
the people them black and them ugly and them some of them not gonna lie me. Me feel a way, me hurt about it, because I said at the end of the day, saw a big woman, a mama saw that the queen a dance all that, and me know said she not have no kids of her own, adopt and stuff like that. So me I say, why I really want? Regardless what you and Spice have, the people them nothing involved none at all. Me not like that.
When you tell me say when you see the lady I walk back at me and me I run go down the place and I say, Pamputte, come. When you look for me, you look for me and say, Jesus Christ, then I would have she do you something. You know what you said to me? You say I must she do you something.
Yes, that's true. You say that's true. Because me I say I saw that and saw bigger than Spice. I mean, where she, because we're in the VIP and thing and that. We always do our little foolishness, but honestly, it that puzzle me. It did that puzzle me. I wonder what go wrong, what have been said, but you never did that. It's still a bit of
Lady and her sister, them, me never forget. I cry for a week.
You're bad. You're bad.
I idolize her. Me did love her. Me look up to her. She told me, Tanya Steve, hey, me never want to mix you up. You better wait till you come out for the life. Me go on the part there. But what if I saw me?
Remember that man.
Me say the woman talk about
honestly, until today, I see it.
When me say to you, say me done with her. And
now, as a Christian, me I say, before you come and say, unite. Spice and Shensi, unite. Come and sing a gospel, come and do this. No come, God, end of the day, You see, God, him no pick and choose who for bless, Remember, say a thief did up on the cross with the money, I remember saying, render your heart and not your garment, So anybody we want to them body, anybody when look good and want to look good, God, the business is soul that's matter. Your soul. So don't care where you have, and don't care how rich you be, don't care how poor, because some people rich have much money and them cannot spend it because them heart work with a battery.
Thank you.
God no pick and choose who for bless. You could have brown, you could have black, you could have white. Him no pick and choose who for bless.
Thank you. Me just glad you remember. Me see your comment a while ago, And me just hope say you remember, but me glad say
remember when you call and a ball of me and wonder what, and when you start tell me. So them a cuss your pitney them. Me I said, Jano, honestly, I couldn't believe me. I was so shocked. And me I said, at the end of the day, me I said, Saul and good woman. That me, you understand me I said? Me I said, we couldn't have done Saul and God. And your pitney godmother. So where it come from? You know, so not care where. Me and no friend of her, whatever. Me not get them pitney involved. You see, if me and you no friend, you see my pitney them after you have manners same way. Still have to call your auntie, but if you cross certain boundary and disrespect my pitney them not gonna call in an auntie, them not gonna call in an uncle for you get them involved. Me not believe in that.
Right, that's how.
I'm just steady.
And that's so when the woman cuss me and tell me about me pitney them ugly, and she go on, me cut me line and me say, A lady, you know, with me done with her. And she go down in night and she say, me I watch you long time. You think I know me I watch you
walk away and she walk and she say, Gracie, whatever. Like she say, by the time she said to me, she would even make bygones or something like that. I don't want to tell her like, I'm not really depend on the line or whatever. But I know something like that, she say. I know something I never forgot. I never wish country me I got.
Nope. After the woman tell me say me pitney them ugly, and she tell me say she watch me long time from how much years ago. Oh, me I take off my shoes and a DJ and she first take off her shoes and her wig them. Me say then that woman ya hate me. And she see me at airport and me and ya cry out. I never forget. And she come talk to me. After she say about me pitney them, she feel away. She come say, Gracie. I mean, walk when they come here. I couldn't believe that. I said, then I will do this. I will leave.
Yeah, because you know no good like that. You the affair house or whatever, and them something them know. So, me I wonder say why this. Me not understand it. Me I wonder that. Me I say what kind of beef this I cook. Me don't know about. But at first, you never send up the street. They just walk away.
I never tell a soul me stay in my house and ball to watch.
Yeah, I remember when you call me and a ball and me I say, sir, and then you tell me say the pitney them must say the pitney them black and ugly. I don't know why people feel like when you're black you're ugly and when you're brown you're pretty. Come on, man. Everybody pretty in their own way.
I never forget it. See God there. I never forget it. I'm just glad
to know them how done me do. Come to the people them at me. Catch you me there at the radio station, me there mellow.
Me call your name earlier, me say me and Pamputte there at airport one time and the woman that walk me down and me say me don't want no friendship from them. So that's why them at you, because me call your name earlier and me tell the people them say no little time them try to turn Pamputte against me to make the bad man and the girl down
know somebody. Because the end of the day, Spice, check the real racial life right now. How would this call me? When me look on it and me I say at the end of the day, me not really.
They might probably call you and tell us you're enough to talk, so them
yeah, the foreign number. When we look for it, and at the end of the day, we may have much more to life. We spend Christmas, we go all boat, we fly in a private jet, we never dream, so we have fly in a certain way. We have do something like, me tell you, whole heap of things, my personal life, me never really hear it back. So some people are say, you're for that and whatever. At the end of the day, sign of the business long time. I mean, I say a female artist, so I say, yeah, I saw Buster Girlie. I saw do the Calabar Buster Girlie regardless. We never see that yet.
At 10 years, me beg her to come out.
Me wonder too. Me wonder me you do fluffy and slimmy and me wonder why you and I never do a collab. Me know people that chat and them say, go ahead, and you push up in a Spice or whatever, but when I'm telling you this, for me clear that platform here, I walk in my own shadow. I don't walk in a girl and boy shadow. I remember God, I pray to mother and girl. But the truth me attack. All of me attack are the truth, but remember. Me feel so bad with the pitney them, when the pitney them get involved. Come here, at the end of the day, the busy doing our friend, our bench and batty. So at the end of the day, the pitney them not for in there, the pitney them not for involved. All about black and ugly, me not like that.
Me just glad.
Yeah, remember, of course. Remember. All of that remember. Because me really wonder why some queen of dancehall really I want them. You, I want some. Remember for you, I don't lie.
I was a good friend to her for 10 years and she dissed me up and tell me say me a follow her and I take off my shoes past stage and how me put them ugly and she say me put the shit up in her pampas and she talk some things and me say me done with that lady. And 1 week she make me ball, but I never forget. And I'm me and you go to airport. Me don't go glad say you member. So when you do a mellow today, we don't talk this far. We don't talk about this far earlier, you know. But I call me, I go to bed and I say, no, mom, I have to talk about this. I have to clear this. I have this. Let me say, me done with that.
Because I'm going to go promote one song. My song name, Show Them Love. Real to all real. And if you're not real, we not give a fuck how you feel. Right, this song.
love the words. I just that. Me just love the words.
True, man.
Real to real.
Let us say it, you know. I'm gonna. Yes, man.
Mama, don't worry yourself, you know. Mama, don't worry yourself because remember, you know. I tell them all the while, you know, me say, don't worry about Pamputte, you know. Dance is a circle, everybody at the same time, you know. When I fear time, you know. Because I tell them, say, remember when you come out and say, pat your pussy and call your man. That's the baddest thing.
A real talk, man. A real talk.
No, man.
I don't know if you could place me, I go and boom up. Only if I look a place to go. Because I go with her and show. I show that near and the show right through.
And guess what? And let us hold on. Let us talk about when we did have fluffy versus slimmy.
Yeah.
Slim girl, better you can't do this. If we talk about how we never bad mind who go past stage and bust the place you start now. Remember them the time they did fluffy, you know, because you slim now. I mean, you have a naked picture all of a sudden. Me see you wow with yourself. Me see you wow with yourself. So remember when you did fluffy, you bent down and
go out with myself.
I will go backstage. I will come off and we are because I say move your blood clot.
I mean, I said go and move your can't shake like me, can't move freak like me. Go and I ever true, honestly, me never lie. Me never ever done more in your life. I make me feel better when me go past you like I just always love. That's why no care when nobody say or whatever about this Calabar, who this and who that, like that just can't come in at me. Because we have so much good times.
But them a talk about Calabar, them not even know. So we have Calabar put on and we don't put it out here. Come here and tell us this song you want to fix, you know. And I say, wow, I'm panic and so song go me. I can't, you know,
we don't like put song like that. I true.
Me I can listen.
I love it to my sister.
I love your
blessings. Yeah, man.
Mad love, always. Yeah, me don't know if you help that.
Kevin, you have to help me now or leave. Oh.
Big up Pamputte. I'm a beg me I go and me say, Father God, me no want to say me done and you know say me no done. That's why I'm telling you say, you know, God over we head, you know. A God over we head. So, you know, care. Me can't come fabricate things from people. Me nah do it. Because God over we head. So when you attack, you can always remember say one God. A two finger me I go up. One God. And a 10. Me glad say Pamputte remember. I'm glad that she remember. And a whole heap of other things me remember. I see she the on fly but come talk about Lady G love me. You hate Lady G like Price because the woman did bad. Tanya Stevens! Somebody ask Tanya Stevens because I have something to tell her. Somebody ask Tanya Stevens. It's a pity. Me never remember this tonight. Oh no, ask Tanya Stevens tonight. Oh boy, it is a pity. Tanya Stevens, I have something to tell you, you know. Ladies, I hate you like poison. Tanya Stevens, ladies, I hate you like poison. How it go? Me never forget when me a little girl and Tanya Stevens do her song and she make me counteract Tanya Stevens song. Tanya Stevens no do me nothing. Me no know the woman from nowhere. She hate Tanya Stevens like poison. And the truth. Why she hate Tanya Stevens? Because Tanya Stevens bad, because Tanya Stevens lyrical, because Tanya Stevens can write no blood clot. So when uno did that talk about say, Spice, get the fighters back. And just because of me, they write yes, but make somebody else name it up there and attack out of them. And Tanya Stevens bad no blood clot. She never like her. Tanya Stevens have something to tell you. The woman hate you. I mean, know you have your fear history. Never hear Tanya in a mix up yet. Me just want to apologize say me did counteract your song. Me never remember which song me did counteract. I wish you would have treat me like your clock. Why you can't stay for me like the corner bumbo clock? I wish you would have treat me like your staying on you all night. That's a wine and a rum. You don't want blood clots. I'm a counter at woman saying the woman do nothing. Do me nothing. Just because of lady sir. Me don't come here to stay long because last time when you say 3 hours we talk fast and me go leave you know. I beard me say me I go beard and it come cross my mind and me remember about me kids them and me remember how she do me kids them. And me I say then Jesus. Now this is the real time when the woman do the things them to me, me stop talk to her. Oh, me never remember if talk this. And me just walk it back and come back come talk. Yeah, when me look, God just make me sick Pamputte comment and me just at her. I'm glad she remember. I mean, I was still along with you know. Me just want to talk me truth. And everything when me talk, that was my truth. And me can say now, me done. And me done until somebody else feel to call me name again. Me I go back in a me little corner to me pitney them. Me I go do me song them and promote, what bus, what no bus. Me I go make me money, do what me can do until my little time expire because that is just the game. So me I go just go back over here so and bless you know again. Good night again. Me love you know. Me have 32,000 now, you know, and me beg you to pray. And me tell you all on if you pray, and me go end it again and tell you to say, pray. Pray for all of we. Pray for the whole of the woman them. Pray for whatever the confusion spirit you come from. You know, broke it up. Because something not right. But at least when I go in my bed tonight, I go sleep in peace because I know within myself. All I did was start my truth. May God bless you all. And me just done it right there so. Me love you know. Love the whole of you know. Pamputte, I love you, you're my sister. Anytime we drop through song a different something I go on. Big up the whole of the woman them. The whole of we are doing thing. I just saw it go. Love you know. Tayeri, you have a notification. Big up yourself, my nice clean dancer. Oh, it go. Amen, Auntie Grace.
All right. People, you heard everything. I'm just reporting. I love everybody. Sometimes. Macadamia, you're my artist. Big up yourself, Queen. Queen Kamala, you're my artist. Big up yourself, Queen. Angel Eyes, you're my artist. Big up yourself, Queen. Aisha Blinder, you're my artist. Big up yourself, Queen. And I'm Daddy Reds, and I'm the reggae ambassador. And I will always cause a musical massacre. Dread out for now. This is Talking News.